Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the UT bot on your chart and confirming required inputs, ATR period and multiplier. You want immediate action, so pick a time frame that matches your trading horizon and set the price source to close. Once done, adjust alert settings and choose whether alerts trigger on bar close or real time. Make sure repainting is understood because it changes signal reliability. Begin with a small visual test. Watch a few historical crossovers to verify marker placement before moving to now refine the UT bot parameters to match market volatility. Lower ATR length or a smaller multiplier tightens signals, while higher values reduce noise. You should pair entries with a higher timeframe trend to avoid countertrend trades, so check the daily or 4-hour trend before acting on a 15-minute signal. Also add a simple filter like a 50 mA or a volume threshold to cut false signals. Once configured, run through recent sessions to observe how the bot tracks price and adapts stops. Finish by creating robust alerts tied to the UT bot signal change or trailing stop cross. Configure messages and webhook payloads if using automation. Then paper trade or forward test with small position sizing for several weeks to validate performance and risk management. If you encounter repainting, signals that move after formation, switch alerts to trigger on bar close or install a confirmed, non-repainting version of the script. One key troubleshooting tip: if signals flood you, widen ATR multiplier or add a trend filter to reduce chaff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.